Hey, have you had this before? We called it sweet potato. This is the only kind of sweet potato I knew growing up. It has a very unique nutty and sweet flavor that I love. And we also have sweet corn. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a latte out of it. Put the sweet potato, corn, 1 cup of milk, and 1 spoon of sugar and mix. Then blend until smooth. Pour in casserole with margarine to taste. And then boil it in 1 minute. And you're basically done! This is our sweet potato corn latte. Thanks for watching.